Right now, Solana is experiencing an ecosystem-wide hack or some kind of major phishing event that's affecting huge numbers of wallets. We're seeing millions of dollars drained out of wallets. Particularly, we're seeing phantom wallet users and slope wallet users being affected, but we're seeing huge outflows from wallets, some wallets that haven't even been active in like 6 months' time, being affected by this hack. So in this video, I just want to let you know, of course, that this hack is going on, but also how to keep yourself safe if your wallet has not yet been hacked. If you're worried about your funds being drained out of your wallet, well, here are 3 simple steps that you can take to try to protect your funds. The first step, move your crypto over to a damn hardware wallet, man. I know we talk about this all the time, but get yourself one of these if you have not got one yet. Obviously, if you don't have one right now, that's problematic, but you should always have one of these. If you're a cryptocurrency investor, get yourself a damn hardware wallet. Now, you might say, well, Lark, that's great for the people who already have one, but I don't have one. What am I going to do? Well, that's the second option. Move your crypto to a centralized exchange. Send it to BINANCE, wherever else, while you wait for all this to blow over and we get some more answers on exactly what is happening in the Solana ecosystem right now. So if you have like, I don't know, let's say $10,000 in SOL sitting on your wallet, get that off there, man. You don't want to take the chance with this going on right now that your funds could get drained off of your wallet. Now, some of your low cap altcoins or NFTs, there might not be anywhere for those to go in this situation, but at least if you can save most of your funds, that's something to consider, right? And the third option is to go into your Phantom wallet and revoke access to all trusted apps. You can see on the screen here, we've got that showing how you can do that right now. But in the event that this is some kind of an exploit via one of the major apps, like let's say Radium or Orca or something like this, if it is such a situation, then revoking access may prevent your funds from being drained. We don't know exactly what the exploit is yet, but this is just another option you can take to protect yourself. But getting your funds off of your hot wallet, your Phantom wallet, your slope wallet, whatever it might be, is a much more definitive approach to protecting your funds. Because remember, with a hardware wallet, they can only move your funds if they have access to the wallet. At an exchange, they have to hack your exchange account to be able to move that stuff. So it's much safer at this moment than keeping it on a hot wallet on the network. Anyway, I hope that you have not been affected by this hack, or that if you're seeing this message, you're able to take action before things get worse. Maybe this all blows over very quickly, but I just want to let you know about this situation real quick in this video. Thanks so much for watching, and peace out till next time.